Hi everyone, welcome back to Smarta.
With Marta. Today we are here doing the answers for subtraction rounding up part 2. If you haven't done your on your own questions, you need to get out of here and do those first and then come back because we'll miss you.
Yeah, and you want to go over the answers.
Yeah.
Because you're so good at it.
That's right. All right, we're going to do shout-outs first, and we're going to do a combination shout-out today.
A little different kind of a shout-out.
Yeah, because you don't know this, but right now it's Friday, and we just finished Zoom Storytime. And one of the things that we really like about Zoom Storytime is when you bring your little brothers and sisters to listen to the story. I think it's great for 3 reasons. 1, we love to see your little brothers and sisters.
Definitely, they're very cute.
You are helping them learn, which is great. Very good for you. And also you are helping your parents have a little bit of a break because you're helping them sit and listen to the story and your parents can get some other stuff done. Maybe their work or the laundry or
Lots
whatever.
of work around the home.
Or maybe they are just needing to have a rest.
Yeah, so having your little brothers and sisters there, they're looking up to you. They want to be like you. They're seeing how great you're learning. They want to learn too. You're setting a good example. So keep bringing them to story time. And just to name a few right now, I have a list here so I don't miss anybody. So these kids in Mrs. Marta's class and my class, we've noticed recently have been bringing little brothers and sisters. So please keep it up. We have Owen, Hayes, Carson, Audrey, Hayumi, Sienna, and Catherine. Keep bringing those little brothers and sisters, and if you have some that you haven't brought them yet, bring them to story time.
And it kind of reminds me of another thing. When you're doing your daily reading for at least 20 minutes, sometimes it's a nice idea to read to your little brothers and sisters. It's good for them to hear stories, and it's good for you to read it out loud
It's
to them.
funny you say that because I got a picture today from Haley and her mom, and Haley is reading to one of her little friends on the couch.
Oh, that's perfect. Good job, Haley. All right, on to jokes. These jokes are both from me because we don't have any jokes from kids. Thanks, Mr. Marta. All right. What has 2 legs but can't walk?
What has 2 legs and can't walk?
Pants.
True, unless I'm in them.
True, but it's not the pants walking.
Then they usually run
Right. Okay.
away
Your
from
joke.
tigers and lions.
Your joke.
Okay.
Your turn.
What's your joke?
Right. I have to pretend I don't know the answer.
Yes.
Got it.
What is a barn owl's favorite subject at school? What is a barn owl's favorite subject at school, Mrs. Marta?
That is a puzzler, Mr. Marta. What is it?
I'm going to give you the answer, and then you can explain the answer. Algebra.
Algebra. Because it's an owl, and algebra is a kind of math.
Yes, you'll learn algebra in the future.
That was well, you are doing algebra
Yeah, you are doing
already.
a basic form of algebra now, yes.
You just don't know it's algebra. When we go like, what plus 3 equals 7, that's algebra. And in algebra, they just make the what a letter usually. So it will be like x plus 3 equals 7, x equals
It's going to be
4.
what? So you're trying to find an unknown number, and you're already doing that.
Yeah, so if you were an owl, you could be doing algebra. Just like that. All right, we're going to meet you over at the easel so you can find out the answers for your math.
All right.
We are here to do the answers for subtraction, rounding up, part 2. So make sure you have your work in front of you so you can check it as we go through. So I'm going to talk about the steps each time just so they're fresh in your head. So I get the question. The first thing I'm going to do is stack it up. 95, take away 76. Now I check if I can do it the easy way. I have 9. Can I take away 7? Yes. I have 5. Can I take away 6? No. So I know I need to round up. So I go to the bottom number and I'm going to round 76 up to my next 10. My next 10 after 76 is 80. Then I have to think, how did I get from 76 to 80? I look at the 6. The friendly fact of 6 is 4. Now that I know I added 4 to the bottom, I have to do the same thing to the top. So 95, ooh, it's a big one, plus 4 is 99. We're almost at 100. So then I put my equals line and I subtract. 9 take away 0 is 9. 9 take away 8 is 1. And my answer is 19. All right, so give yourself a check mark. If you need time to fix that up, you can do that too. Question B, first thing I do, I stack it up. I hope you can still see, Mr. Marta. This is really hard for me to reach today.
We can see.
All right, so I've stacked it up and now I check. Can I do this the easy way? I have 8. Can I take 6 away? Yes. I have 3. Can I take 1 away? Yes. So I just do my straight subtraction. 8 take away 6 is 2, and 3 take away 1 is 2. Easy peasy. All right. Give yourself a check mark. On to C. What's the first thing I do? Stack it up. Next thing I do, check. Can I do it the easy way? I have 6. Can I take 3 away? Yep. I have 5. Can I take 2 away? Yep. So I can do it the easy way. 6 take away 3 is 3. 5 take away 2 is 3. Yes, Mr. Marta.
As you do the next question, could you just talk about how when we do stacking up with addition, it doesn't matter which way you stack it up, but in subtraction, it's very important that second one goes in the bottom.
Well, it does, because you have to imagine, I always imagine what I'm doing with it. Let's imagine you have Smarties. I have 65 Smarties, and I'm taking 32 away. I can't start with 32 and take 65 away. I have to start with 65 to take 32 away. But if I was adding them, it wouldn't matter what order I add them in. If I have 65 here and 32 here, it doesn't matter. I can do them either way. Also, that was pretty good mind reading, Mr. Martin. Next time, maybe you could just tell them if you have an idea instead of making me try to guess what you're doing.
We have good mind reading skills, you and I.
All right, on to the next one. We're going to stack it up. 70, take away 34. What's my next step? I think about, can I do this the easy way? So instead of using my fingers to check, I'm just going to look at it. I know 7 is bigger than 3, so that one works. But I know for sure that 0 is not bigger than 4, so I'm going to have to round up. I want to go from 34 to my next 10, which is 40. Then I think, how do I get from 34 to 40? I want to find the friendly fact of 4, which is 6. And then I know the rule when I'm doing this is that whatever I do to the bottom number, I have to do to the top number. And I end up with 76. Take away 40, and then I just do 6 take away 0 is 6, 7 take away 4 is 3.
Let's test Mrs. Marta's mind reading abilities, boys and girls. Mrs. Marta, what am I thinking about right now?
Cookies.
Close. Chocolate.
Okay. See, I'm pretty good.
I'll test after each question.
What am I thinking about right now?
Chocolate.
Math. I'm thinking about math. Okay. So we have 86 take away 37. I stack it up. 86 take away 37. I put my equals line and I check. 8 is greater than 3, so I know that one's okay. 6 is not greater than 7, so I know I have to do the rounding up. So I go from 37 to my next 10. Wow, I really like 30s, don't I? I got 4 in a row there. 37, I need to go to my next 10, which is 40. Then I need to find my friendly fact for 7, which is 3. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. 86 plus 3 is 89. And then I subtract 9, take away 0 is 9. 8, take away 4. And we have 49.
What am I thinking about, Mrs. Marta?
I hope you're thinking about math.
Peanut brittle.
Oh my goodness. Focus, Mr. Marta. All right. We're going to stack this one up. 51 minus 36. Put my equals line. I check. Can I do this the easy way? 5, take away 3. That works. 1, take away 6. That does not work. So I know I have to round up. Guess what I'm going to round up to? Surprise! It's 40. So to get from 36 to 40, I look for the friendly fact of 6, which is 4. Then I know whatever I do to the bottom, I need to do to the top. 51 plus 4 is 55. Then I subtract. 5 take away 0 is 5. 5 take away 4 is 1. Now,
pardon me, boys and girls.
Bless you, Mr. Marta. Now, if you just want to do the grade 2, 2-digit subtraction, that's it. That's all you have to do. But if you're one of those people who likes to stretch your brain, and there's a lot of people who are stretching their brain. Mr. Marta's going to sneeze again. Get ready for it. There's a lot of people who are stretching their brains, and we are really proud of you for trying. Let's try this one. So we're stacking it up. When I do big numbers like this, I need to make sure I need to leave a lot of room just in case there's a lot of steps.
Oh, what am I thinking about, Mrs. Marta?
I don't know, Mr. Murda.
Not sneezing.
Good job. All right, I have 5. Can I take 2 away? Yes. I have 3. Can I take 6 away? No. So I know I'm going to have to round up. So my next 10, I have 26 tens. My next 10 after 26 tens is 27 tens. Then I look for my friendly fact, and it was a 5. Now I know I need to add 5 to this one, and I get 536. Now I need to check it again because this is a challenge question, so there's an extra step. I have 5. Can I take 2 away? Yes. I have 3. Can I take 7 away? No. So I need to go up to my next 100. So I have 200. I need to go up to 300. And this is where it gets a little bit tricky. I'm looking at 70. I need the friendly fact that will take me up to the next 100. So I look at that 7, and it's 7 tens. I need 3 tens to go up there. So I'm adding 30. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. 536 plus 30 is 566. And now I know I can subtract because I see those 2 zeros there. So 5 take away 3 is 2. 6 take away 0 is 6. 6 take away 0 is 6. If you got that right, I am giving you a virtual high five right now.
And boys and girls, we know
that was a hard question.
It was, and we know that some of you on the challenge questions might not be doing it the same way Mrs. Marta did it. You might be doing number line, you might be trying expanded form, but if you got 266, give yourself that super high five.
That's right. All right, let's try the next one. 498 minus 106. Let's do our check to see if we can do it the easy way. I hope so. I didn't leave very much room. 4 take away 1. Can I do that? Yep. I have 9. Can I take 0 away? Yep. I have 8. Can I take 6 away? Yes, I can do it the easy way. 4 take away 1 is 3. 9 take away 0 is 9. 8 take away 6 is 2. High five if you got that one. That's a grade 3 question. So you've checked all of your work. If you need to fix it, you know you can stop the video and you can fix it. I want to see you with the right answers on there by the end. And if you can, get your mom or dad to take a picture of it and email it to us.
What am I thinking of, Mrs. Marta?
Rexy.
The one and only Bob. Because you're reading that really soon. Our cliffhanger. I'm waiting.
Oh, Mr. Marta's waiting, but I'm thinking about Rexy.
Rexy it is first.
So I'm here with my friend Rexy. He's got his glasses on because he's been sitting on the floor watching the math answers and he wanted to make sure he saw them to make sure he got them right.
Rexy, you look very studious.
He is very studious. Rexy, do you have a joke for us?
Mm-hmm. Why did the dinosaur cross the road?
I don't know, Rexy. Why did the dinosaur cross the road?
Because the chicken didn't exist yet. And he's lucky he didn't exist because I would have eaten him.
Rexy.
Chicken good.
Rexy.